Yes, my brother, yes. I like it. I like it, it's good. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Oh, look at this, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, brilliant, man. Amazing. Whoa. This is called speed, fast. No messing about here, guys. MashaAllah. Jazakallah, brother. Jazakallah. Thank you, Jazakallah. Thank you. Hi there, Matty 24/7. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful people. We're here today in Pakistan. We're in the village of where we are from. And it's been an absolute pleasure here. The second day, we're ready to just go to a small town called Bewal from the village called Takaal where we live. And I just want to give you a true feeling in 4K of how it's like, what the roads are like, what the travelling facilities are like, and just that true feeling of being in this beautiful country in Pakistan. So let's join each other on this journey and go to a small town, and also when we get there you can also get the true feeling of what it's like with all the people there, the hustle and the bustle of day-to-day life throughout Pakistan. Bless you all, and let's go.
Hey, hey, I'm one in a million, but ज़्यादा भी उछले ना चल तू मेरे साथ यारा चल तू ये रात कभी ना आवे 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 सारी रात नींद ना आवे तैनू बड़ा तड़पावे दिल चैन कहीं ना पावे 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 swag है
As you can see, the roads here leading onto the main road are very broken down due to the weather. When it rains here, the roads tend to split up and break down, so we have to just go really slow in order not to damage the vehicle that we're in. This vehicle, guys, is called the Kerry. The Kerry of Pakistan, the well-known Kerry. Everybody loves, you know, using these for their main transport. Absolutely fantastic. So, as we've seen here, my cousin's here joining me on this journey, and what a beautiful Kerry this is. Look at the design of this, how amazing this is. My cousin here has spent a lot of money on this and made it absolutely beautiful. Also, very top driver, Mr. Shafiq from Takaal in Pakistan.
Yes.
Also, you get a lot of people driving motorbikes. It's a lot more convenient to travel around from place to place when you're living in the village. Young lads driving motorbikes. Can you see? Can you believe this? Look at this, guys. Again, it's March the 16th here, and an amazing, beautiful weather. Absolutely perfect. It's round about 23 degrees, 23, 24 degrees.
सारी रात नींद
at these beautiful houses here. The way they build and structure and design these houses, fantastic. So listen guys, we're here in a town called Babywaal. As you can see, it's getting busier and busier the more we go closer into the town, and you're going to get a true feeling of the hustle and bustle of what it's like here. You know, desserts, samosas, kebabs, plenty of curries, anything you want to eat here. The cafes here are great. Local food is brilliant. The fruit absolutely tastes fantastic here. I don't know what it is in these countries, but when you eat the natural fruit, it's just a different feeling compared to England. As you see, we're coming into the heart of Babywaal. I just want to go around, show you what it's like, and we'll just go in and out of shops and just see what kind of things are on sale, and just give you a true feeling of what it's like when you come here. So this is your local bakery, guys. They sell all sorts of bits and bats here. this is a local bus station here in Bewal. Or pakoras or kebabs. The best in Bewal. This is the best. Look at this, guys. You can see how naturally they made the pakoras. I don't know if it's in the oil or if it's in the ingredients, but when you taste a pakora, it's just unbelievable. You just can't beat the taste here in Pakistan, I'm telling you guys. Yeah, alhamdulillah. And this is your sweet jalebi, they call it jalebi, guys. This is halwa. Halwa, halwa. Kebab, kebab. Kebab mix. Yes. So, just have a look now. Inshallah. There you got the fruit here. The bakery. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is how you make the chappaties here in Pakistan. Look at this man here, the technique. This is the oven. Oh yes, look at that, natural, amazing. Wow. Yeah, look at how beautiful it is, yeah? The softness of this naan. Is naan, yeah?
Roti.
Roti, Pakistani roti, yeah? Oh, look at this guy here, technique. Very good. Mashallah, say, first class. Very good. Bakery. Oh, this is the bakery, guys. Yeah, they call it the bakery. You've got all sorts of sweets here. Yeah, you got nice sweets. Yeah, this guy's name. What's your name, brother? Aapka naam kya hai? Mr. Raza Ali. Come and meet Mr. Raza Ali here in Bewal. He will look after you, and you can get all your sweet things here. Yes. Is this a sandwich? Oh, Pakistani sandwich, eh?
Pakistani.
Very good. We've got ready-made sandwiches here.
Fruit cake.
Oh, oh, wow, look at this fruit cake.
Fresh.
And then you've got fresh cakes here. What else does the person want?
Pakistani
juice. Oh, juice, got all your juices. Fantastic, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this, guys. Inshallah. Yeah. Oh, look at this, guys. Yeah, is this spinach? Soya. Soya, spinach. Palak. Desi palak. This is my brother. Desi tinda. Here in Bewal. Come and see this guy. What's your name? Mr. Mohammed Masood. Come and see him. Yeah, this guy's been to UK and he's living here. Tinda Pakistani style. Wow, that's really good. Mashallah. Which way now? Or can he pass a area? Go down that way. Hotel, yeah. Look at the beautiful fresh vegetables straight from the soil of the farmer's land. Yeah. So again here, guys, look how they make the roti, the chapati technique. These guys got good technique. Yeah, look at this guy. Yes, YouTube. Yeah, hello. Hey! These guys are on, man. Whoa. I'm telling you guys, these people work hard for the money. They work here maybe 13, 14, 15 hours a day. And you've got to give them credit. Oh, look at this technique. Whoa. Yes, my brother, yes. I like it. I like it, it's good. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Oh, look at this, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, brilliant, man. Amazing. Whoa. This is called speed, fast. No messing about here, guys. MashaAllah. Jazakallah, brother. Jazakallah. Thank you, Jazakallah. Thank you. Oh, right, okay. So what we got here, guys?
YouTube channel.
Yes. You got your chicken masala. You got your dal. That's your dal. Lentils. Amazing. Oh my God, what's this again? Another type of lentil. What? Oh, look at this man who's got the order. Look at the order he's got going. Yes. Yeah. I love it. What we got in here, my brother? Ooh, this is a curry made with eggs. Now, where would you get that?
ਗੱਡੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਮਾਰਦੀ ਬੈਕ ਲੈਦਰ ਸੀਟਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਆਵੇਂਗੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਵਸੈਸ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਵੀ ਨੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਗਰਮੀ ਮਿਲ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹਸੀਨੇ ਨੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਿਰ ਕੁਰਤੀ ਪਸੀਨੇ ਦੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਗਰੀਸ ਦੀ ਧੁੱਪ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਰਾ ਕਿਸੇ
Again, guys, I hope you enjoyed a little tour around Baybywaal, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we will be making more videos soon. Check you out later. Marhaba. Thank you so much, and please like, share and subscribe. Love you loads. Marhaba.